Alright, we're going to learn a Spanish style with only 3 notes and optionally a 4th note if you would like to spice things up. Now you can use your fingers for this, but you can get a lot more volume and attack with a pick. So, seems a lot more aggressive. The main notes will be A major, C major, B flat, and F if you so desire. The main idea is we'll kind of cycle through these notes, and we'll start off with the A major. And kind of do add a little pizzazz to that. And then we'll go to the C, and then we'll go to the B, and back to the C, back to the C, and then after that you could do the F, or you can go back to the A. Sounds kind of cool when you can go to the F. F, then A. F, then A. So, let's go through it again. Start out with A, then go to C, then B flat, and then that F A, the F A. So, let's go through it again. So you can really get spicy with this and get really good at this. But basically it's just a simple progression of several notes, and you can add in between notes for adding pizzazz and style.